Hello everyone, so just another one of my quick tip videos for you today. So I recently had to change this headlight bulb on this Hyundai i30. I've never done one before, so normally when I need to do something like that, first of all I'll just take a visual look. Sometimes, on some designs there's space, you can tell there's enough space there, you can just go ahead, undo whatever you need to do, like change out whatever you need to change out. Great. On this one there clearly isn't, because this main beam bulb is blocked off by the battery, and the headlight bulb, which you can't even see because of the lighting, is down in there and it's even more blocked off. So it's fairly obvious that you're going to have to remove the headlight assembly. Not unusual these days. So if that's the case and I've never done one before, or if I've forgotten how to do it, which happens as well, I'll usually get the owner's manual out and I'll have a quick look in there, because on some makes and models there can actually be useful information explaining pretty much how to do it in the owner's manual. And sure enough, in this owner's manual it does touch on it, but pretty much all it says is open the bonnet, remove the headlight assembly by loosening the headlight installation bolts. Doesn't even tell you where they are, for replacement of the low beam bulb. And then it says, remove the headlight bulb cover, etc. So basically it doesn't tell you how to get the headlight assembly out. So what I normally do in that situation is, probably like maybe some of you guys have done, hence you're watching this video, is I'll have a look on the internet, maybe on YouTube. In this case, that's what I did. I saw 2 videos on YouTube, and by the way, I'm not trying to be horrible about people's videos. I'm sure they were meant in the best possible intentions, and I'm sure I've got a lot of videos on there that aren't perfect either, so I'm not being horrible. But I saw one video where the guy kind of went down here and unscrewed a screw up there, and then on another video I saw the guy take off the whole bumper, the front bumper, or the cover for it anyway. Now, having now done this job, I can tell you that loosening that screw or taking out that screw up there, like I saw one of those, that's not going to do you any good at all. So if you have come across that video, ignore it. That doesn't do anything. And luckily you don't actually have to take off the whole bumper cover either, like in the other video. All you actually have to do is remove this one clip here, right at the top corner of the bumper cover, and that will enable the bumper cover to lift up and away just enough to enable you to remove the headlight assembly. Obviously you've got to remove the headlight bulbs, and not bulbs, headlight bolts. So you've got 1, 2 and a third one. Oh, the lighting's really poor down there. So once you remove those 3 bolts, just undo this kind of half screw type clip, lift this up a little bit. That will enable you to get the headlight unit out, and critically, in much easier. If you don't do that, you can just about yank it out if you really try hard, but you won't be able to get it back in. Whereas if you undo that extra bit of clearance is just enough to get the job done. Anyway, so I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.